Hello everybody! Today we'll speak about some common mistakes that students make while speaking English. The first mistake is instead of saying people are, students say people is. But that is not correct because the first people is in plural, so you can't say people is, it is people are. The second mistake is while speaking about their family, they say we are four in the family, but that is not right because the correct version of it is there are five or four of us in the family. The next mistake is while speaking they say I know English good, but that is not right, guys. So the correct version of it is I know English well. And the last mistake, I've heard it lots of times. Instead of saying I agree, they say I am agree. But that is not right. The correct version of it is I agree. So that's all for today. Hope it was useful. See you next time.